For what? You're about 2 seconds to get slammed. Don't touch me. Don't touch my phone. Whoa. For what? For what? For what? No. Nope. Oh. Get off on me. You're about to get taken. What are you doing? No. Are you kidding me, bro? Okay, you win. Okay, you win.
On June 21st, 2023, West Palm Beach police responded to Twin Peaks restaurant. Management requested the trespass of a patron alleged to have put hands on the bar manager. Officers issued a verbal and written warning, escorted him out, then he re-entered minutes later. A brief use of force followed, resulting in a minor injury and arrest on 2 misdemeanor charges.
Hey, maybe you recognize those ducks.
It's the cousins.
You said the outside bar, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in through.
Look, like, hey, you got my cousins. What's up, guys? So this guy, so he has an 8 now. He was very belligerent, vulgarities, and he just kept putting his hands on me like that. I asked him, please stop. He started making violent overtones. Never got over the limit, but I just want to trespass him. Okay. He's running the bar right now. And make sure he gets home safe.
Hey brother, how you doing? Hey, managers are asking you to leave because they don't want you here anymore. I don't know why. However, they were asking you to leave. So.
Did I pay my tab?
Yeah, you already cashed out. You're good.
I paid my tab?
Yep, you're good.
Wow.
Because they don't want your business apparently. So I don't know. But,
I don't know what that is.
Oh, you got a jar.
I have no idea what that is.
okay. All right, so let's just grab your bag and we'll walk out front real quick, okay?
I have to?
Yes.
I really do.
Yeah, you really do.
Even though I paid this?
I'm sorry?
Even though I paid the tab for the bar?
Yeah, you
I have to leave.
Yeah.
Is that real?
Yep.
They're right. They're going to receive present.
I respect you. My bad.
All right, bro.
I do not know.
I know, I understand, but they want you to go.
So it's not yours, that little jar down there?
Let's go out this way. Go out
You
front.
search me?
We don't need to search.
Okay.
I don't know. Good, how are you?
Yeah!
Go straight this way.
Now what?
Now I just need to get your name. Let's go.
Now what?
Just hang with me real quick when I get your name.
But what did I really do wrong?
I don't know exactly what happened.
I don't know either.
However,
However, what did I...
Flung this at my bartender. Just so you
What
guys
did I
know.
do? I flung it.
oh, that would probably be part of the reason why you're not.
Sure, I
welcome.
flung my black card at a bar.
What's your first name?
Mickey.
Is it Nicholas or?
Mickey. This Mickey.
Oh, Mickey. M-I-C-K-Y?
Yep, last name Miller. I flung that at the bartender.
What's your middle initial?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So I paid with my black card.
Okay.
He claims I flung it at the bartender.
Who cares?
I care.
What's your middle initial?
No, I care.
What's your middle initial?
Walking.
Hey, listen, you don't want to do this. Okay.
What did I do? What did I do?
I don't know, but I've been pretty
What did I
cool.
do?
I don't know, but I've been pretty
Bro.
back.
No, you all both. What did I do?
Okay.
Okay, so I
You're
give him
irate. Okay, that's the whole point.
This is why we're here, right here.
You're acting like a...
So I'm trying to make sure that you don't.
But you're
go to
taking
jail.
my name for what? For
Because-
getting a beer, bro?
No, because he's asking you to be trespassed from here. That is why.
For what?
For whatever
No,
reason you
what
guys
did
had.
he do?
I don't know.
So I sat at the bar. I said, let me get a beer. They found what? I was irate? For what?
I don't know, man. And honestly,
Can I just go over there?
No, we're not done talking.
we have to get your name and
No.
date of birth. You have to give it to us.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
I'm under arrest?
You will be under arrest if
I'm under
you do not
arrest.
give it to us.
I'm detained.
This is what you want to do?
I'm detained for what?
This is what you want to do?
Bro, what am I? I'm detained.
I've been pretty cool with you so far,
I'm
have I
cool
not?
too, bro, what
Have I
am I-
not? Have I been an asshole to you at all? Okay. So,
Okay, what do you want? What do you want?
just
Yeah.
your middle initial,
John Miller. You're right. My bad. John Miller.
date of birth,
10/28, 1982.
82?
1982.
Okay. You're good to go, okay?
Thank you, guys.
You can't come back though, okay?
3 Florida statutes and 3 Supreme Court precedents govern this entire encounter. First, Florida Statute Section 8, 10.08, trespass in a structure. A warning by the owner or an authorized agent revokes any prior license to remain. Re-entry after a valid warning is a first-degree misdemeanor under subsection 2, paragraph B. The manager qualifies as an authorized agent, and the warning was issued on body camera.
Got a backpack.
Hey, why are you back in here?
I will show you the Uber.
But why are you back in here?
I will show you the Uber.
No, I don't want to see your Uber. I want to know why you're back in here.
Uber's coming.
No, you've been trespassed from here. You cannot come back in here. I've already told you that.
There's my Uber, bro.
Turn around. Come on, stand up. Stand up.
There's my Uber. though.
Stand up.
No. For what?
You're about 2 seconds to get slammed.
Don't touch me. Don't touch my phone. Whoa. For what? For what? For what? No. Nope. Bro. Get off of me.
You're about to get taken.
What are you doing? No. Are you kidding me, bro? Okay, you win. Okay, you win. I'm not even fighting, bro. Ow! Fuck you. Whatever, guys. Ow! Fuck.
Second, the demand for identification is governed by Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District. A lawfully detained suspect may be required to identify himself without Fifth Amendment violation. Third, the use of force is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Reasonableness is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective on the scene, not in hindsight. 3 Graham factors apply: severity of offense, threat to safety, and active resistance. The offense is a misdemeanor, but the subject's physical refusal supplies the resistance element. Soft to hard, empty hand control with no closed fist strikes sits low on the force continuum.
Delta 5, West Palm, Army Supervisor.
I don't know whose phone this is.
Gotcha, thank you.
Look at my eyebrow, bro.
Can't be doing that,
Before you
Jimmy.
do that, look at my eyebrow. Before you back in. I literally have an Uber coming. I sat at the bar for an Uber.
Step him back.
Bro. No, bro. Let me talk to him.
10-4.
Bro, look
Am I on 3 still?
Can you look at me real quick?
That's 10-4, but 293 is not 2.
Copy, I'm switching over to 2. Delta 5, West Palm. Start me medics, I'm going to have a use of force and a 10-15.
Number 753. Have a reference for the medic.
That's crazy, man. Laceration to the eye. It's going to be probably like a 40-year-old white male.
This is where I'm arrested?
Denver 753 hours.
Alright, there we go.
753 hours.
You see my eyebrow?
I see your eyebrow, man. If
Why'd
you would
you
have
do
just
that?
listened to me,
I
then
did.
we wouldn't be in this position now, would we?
Uber, but look at my phone. The Uber's here. He's here. Look, he's right there. That's the white car. I'm trying to get an Uber, please. Let me just get an Uber and go.
No, you got to go to jail now.
For what?
Trespass, resisting arrest.
Bro. That's my literally Uber, my peed. Can you just, like, on this one, like, use your intelligence?
No, it's not. This is what
On
happens
this one,
now.
use your intelligence.
This is what happens now.
Bro, I'm going to get in that Uber and go home.
No, you're not.
Why?
Because now you're going to jail.
Why?
All right,
What
have a
did
seat.
I do?
Have a seat. Okay.
I'm not bad. This is crazy, guys.
Fourth, Florida Statute, Section 843.02, resisting without violence. Polite versus state requires the resistance to be knowing, willful, and against a lawful duty. Refusing to stand after a lawful arrest command satisfies this element under Florida case law. Critically, the subject's profanity is protected under City of Houston versus Hill. No charge here rests on speech, which is the constitutionally correct distinction. The officer's post-force protocol satisfies industry standards under IACP consensus policy. Immediate supervisor notification, medics requested, and a sworn statement preserved on camera.
My name is Officer Kelly at the West Palm Beach Police Department. Today's date is 6/21/2023 at approximately 18:44 hours. I am presently at 2224 Palm Beach Boulevard, Twin Peaks. I am with the store manager. Can you state your name?
George Venezia,
Can you spell it?
V as in Victor, Enezia.
Okay, and what's your date of birth?
4/27/1969. Yes, I'm old.
This is in reference to a trespassing, which is documented under... Please raise your right hand for me.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear and affirm the testimony you're about to provide, that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can go ahead and explain what happened.
Okay, so we called the officers out because the guest was being belligerent, and I raid out at the bar. He started cursing at me, actually put hands on me. The officers arrived very quickly, actually. Had the guest removed. While they were doing paperwork, I guess he snuck back on in. Wound up seeing him in the bathroom. We noticed the officer was still in the parking lot. We ran back in, let him know that he was back in the restaurant. They came, and then I guess he started being aggressive towards them, and I guess they arrested him and took him out of the restaurant, as far as I know.
Is there anything else you'd like to provide?
Like I said, he was very aggressive. As a matter of fact, you know, the entire bar was actually uneasy with this guy out, so they were very helpful getting him removed. So I do appreciate that.
And you did state you wanted him trespassed earlier.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
So here we completed a trespass form, which we provided to you.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
All right. Today's date is, I'm sorry, the time is now 18:45 hours. I'm ending this interview. Do you swear that the testimony that you gave was the truth?
I do.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Officer Kelly earns a B for textbook de-escalation and procedurally exemplary documentation. The subject earns a D+, redeemed only by verbal surrender and no escalation to violence. The reporting manager earns a B+ for proper use of legal channels and sworn cooperation. The department earns a B based on available footage, pending internal use of force review. Lesson 1. A trespass warning, once properly issued, is legally binding regardless of fairness. Lesson 2. The remedy for a perceived unjust arrest is the courtroom, never the sidewalk. Lesson 3. Physical noncompliance with a lawful arrest converts a misdemeanor into 2 charges. Lesson 4. Speech is protected, but conduct is chargeable. The two must never be confused. Lesson 5. Bodycam is the most reliable witness in any modern police encounter. Let us know which interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more legal content.